Hey guys, AJ Pema here. As I promised, I'm going to be sharing more tips out there for real estate agents, brokers, newly licensed, veterans. Um, so here's the tip, folks, about making it a win-win situation for you and also for your client, seller. Because at the end of the day, um, we owe fiduciary duty legal obligation towards our client to make sure do the best thing um, for them. So here's the tip. One of the things that we do today is Tuesday. By the way, I'm standing in front of this beautiful property that we have just listed it a day ago, and Monday, which was yesterday, and today is Tuesday. We're hosting right there an open house. Okay, so a lot of people would be asking this question. Hmm, what's the point of hosting an open house during the weekday? Where typically most agents will follow the same procedure that every other agent has done it in decades. Saturday and Sunday, either 1 to 4 or 2 to 4. Hey, listen, here's the thing. Like I said, do you want to create a win-win situation for you and the seller? So how is it benefited for your seller? Okay, as you can see in this neighborhood, a lot of people are going to be driving down. These neighbors coming home, going to work late, and they will look at the sign. They'd be curious. They'd be popping by to take a look at the house. And you, as a professional real estate agent, ask him questions. Are you living in this area? Are you looking to buy? Are you looking to sell? Is this the right house? And so on and so forth. So the number one thing that potential seller who lives in this area may know of a friend, a family, a coworker, somebody from out of town in local community that or church that wanted to kind of live in this area. They want them to move close to them because they have kids or friends that they just want to be in an area where they can actually kind of have fun, visit each other soon, and so on and so forth. And that's additional one, two, three, four, depends on how many people pop by, buyer for your client. And if you do this Monday to Friday, what are you doing here? Creating a lot of demand for this beautiful home behind you. And also, you are going to be the rock star right there. Everybody would know you as a local expert because they're going to see your sign. We put out about 20 signs today. Everybody's going to see our sign out there. And they're going to say, wow, this guy is really working hard, right? And he knows stuff. So that's another way of generating leads, folks, for yourself. Leads. That's why I call it a win-win situation. If you do this on an ongoing basis, perhaps the first 2 weeks property comes in the market, that's the hottest time. It's a very sensitive time. That's the time that you get a lot of traction. So why not? Sorry, I'm switching gears here. Why not look into the option of doing it every single day for the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks? Hope this was helpful for you guys. Leave comments below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be more than happy to share a lot of more great contents, more ideas, tips. That would be a win-win situation for you and the sellers out there. Thanks so much for watching, and you have a fabulous day. Bye for now.